All right, we got some breaking news from Washington Fed Governor Lisa Cook, who is speaking in D.C. Steve Leishman has those headlines. Steve.
Thanks, Brian. The outlook for Fed policy continues to be somewhat confusing, with Fed officials offering different forecasts from each other and even some officials taking both sides of the argument. Lisa Cook, speaking in Washington, said she supported the decision to cut rates last week, but says downside risks to employment are greater than upside risks to inflation. However, she says the current restrictive policy is appropriate given inflation above the 2% target. Every meeting, she says, including a December meeting, is a live meeting. Meanwhile, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly said the Fed needs to bring down both inflation and support the job market.
We need to continue to put downward pressure on inflation and keep our policy modestly restrictive, but not hold the reins so tight that we injure the labor market unnecessarily and give people lower inflation but fewer jobs.
Stephen Myron, the Fed governor on loan from the administration, continues to advocate for deep cuts, while Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee saying the bar was higher for a December cut than one in October. All of this following comments on Friday where 3 Fed speakers spoke against the October cut and were skeptical about one in December, and 2, including Myron, supported both. Brian, back to you.